Hi, this is Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we're doing our craft for Miss Washy's farm. You will need from your Storytime kit this sheet of paper, some scissors, some colors, a glue stick, and this purple paper, and a few strips of stickers. So we're going to start by cutting out our shapes from this paper. This is our big wash bin, and we've got the cow and the pig and the goose from Miss Washy's farm. And we're going to stick them in the wash bin and get them all cleaned up. I'm going to cut out my wash bin first. Nice big tub for them all to hang out in. And then I'm going to glue that about to the middle of my paper. There's also a little scrub brush attached to the tub. You can leave that attached or you can cut it out separate. That's totally up to you. I'm going to leave mine attached like this. And I'm going to glue this whole piece to my purple paper. Right towards the middle, like this. Excellent. Now we can cut out our other pieces. If you want, you can also color them first, but I'm gonna go ahead and, actually I think I am gonna color mine first. That way, if I go outside of the lines a little bit, when I go to cut them, it will take care of that problem for me. So my pig, I'm going to color pink. I'll probably add some yellow or orange to the goose. The cow, maybe I'll do a brown cow. Okay, I've got my pink pig. Let me get my orange out for the feet and the bill of the duck or the goose. I'm not sure if it's a duck or a goose actually. I'll have to reread the story to find out. Like that. And then let me make my cow a little bit more colorful by adding a little bit of brown. Just on his dark spots. Ooh, and I can make his nose pink too, I think. That would be cute. Brown ears and brown spots. Give him some brown on his face. You can color the bubbles in or you can move around the bubbles. It's totally up to you. Like I said, I'm going to give them a pink nose now. There's our colored cow. And now we can cut out our pieces and glue them and put them in the wash bin. I'm going to start, I think, with my duck or goose. Get him out. He looks like he does not really want to be playing in the water. Looks like he is splashing all around. Remember to go nice and slow while you're cutting so that you don't accidentally snip something that you aren't trying to cut, and be sure you're safe with your scissors. Be sure if you need to move with them, set them down first or walk slowly and carefully holding your scissors like this so they can't poke anybody. Now I'm going to cut out my cow. this cow is printed out perfectly so that you can just have his arm hanging out over the tub once you cut him out. So that will make kind of a cool optical illusion like we've got a whole cow, when in fact we just got this little top of the cow in the picture. But it'll make it look like the rest of the cow is just hanging out in the tub. The horns and the ears can be a little bit tricky to cut out, but that's okay. This is a good chance to practice your scissor skills. I've got my cow cut out. Set him down. I'm going to glue all the pieces at once, so I'm just cutting them out and setting them down for now. And then I'll glue them in place once I decide how I want them to be all arranged. Cutting out my piggy now. This piggy, contrary to the duck or goose, looks much like he is very much enjoying this bath time. He looks like he would take a bath all day, every day if he could. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to glue my pieces on. And you can put them anywhere in relation to the tub that you think looks good to you, makes sense to you, works for you. You can be as creative as you want in this process. I'm putting my pig on one side and my cow on the other, and the goose will be flying straight up from the middle, I think. I'm going to tuck him a little bit behind the cow, like this. Awesome! So now all that's left to do, this is my favorite part, is we get to take these stickers, and these stickers, these little circles are going to represent bubbles. So you peel off a circle and you plop it on wherever you want it to go, and then we've got bubbles all over our beautiful bathtub wash bin creation. The white bubbles are also really good for holding down any parts that need a little bit of extra sticking together. So I've got my white pieces on there. And now I'm going to move, I have some silver bubbles. Ooh, shiny and fun. I'm going to stick those all over. You can put them on the animals. You can put them on the purple paper. You can put them really anywhere you want to show that there are bubbles going all over. And we're making a big, bubbly mess. Okay, so I've got my white, I've got my silver. You can tell the silver ones because they're a little bit more shiny. And finally, we've got our blue bubbles. And those add another nice pop of color. And really add to the bubbly effect. So there we go. This is the craft from Miss Wishy's farm. I hope you guys have enjoyed creating with me today, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye!